Alright, what's up guys? So I said I would do 5 Periscope this week, so I'm doing my 4th one now on Thursday. And I really wanted to do this one. Basically, I'm maybe not going to do this one so super long, but it's going to be pretty short. What I want to talk about is something I heard about today. So I got a call from another trader today about basically the probability of winning as a trader. So I'm just going to start by presenting myself a little bit. My name is Krait, and I've been on DesireToTRADE.com. I host a podcast, weekly podcast for traders. What's up? What's up, James? How are you doing? So I host a weekly podcast for traders, and basically what I want to talk about today is the fact of you see this everywhere, the probability of winning as a trader. Hey, what's up, James? Cool. So the probability of winning as a trader, you see everywhere that people like they say, hey, what's up? So people say a lot like traders like fail 90% of the time, for example. Like you see this everywhere. Like okay, no problem. Cheers. So, like you see this all the time. People say traders are winning losing 95% of the time. So they just go bankrupt. They just lose their whole account 95% of the time. But what is the real probability of winning? Like think about it. The fact that people lose 95% of the time, does that mean you're gonna lose anyway? No, like it doesn't even make sense when you think about it. Because the real thing is that traders may fail often. They may fail like 95% of the time or more, but the thing is, you have the choice to win or not. It's totally up to you. What you're doing will decide whether you fail or not. So people who say like traders lose all the time or traders lose money all the time, well, the real thing is you can either lose or you can win. It's up to you. You do whatever you want, and the action you're gonna put in trading, the things you're gonna do, the routines you're gonna follow, will make you successful or make you fail. So it's not true that 95% of traders fail. That might be true like the average, but it doesn't mean that because most people fail, you're going to have to fail. It's totally up to you to decide. It's totally up to you to do the things that you have to do to succeed. And if you don't do the right thing, of course, you're not going to succeed. But the point is, it's not because most people fail that you're going to fail, right? You see this like everywhere. And think about it, like there's only one winner in a race car, right? Only one winner. So if there's like 10 people, it means 10% are winning. So one's winning. Now, does that mean that you have less chance of winning? It doesn't even, it just doesn't make sense. Not because most people are losing, you have to lose. You decide what you do. So if you put the action to be a winner, then you're going to be a winner. If you keep with the action of a loser, or if you don't put in the action, this is what happens most of the time. People don't put in action. So when people don't put in the action to learn to trade successfully, then they lose, and then they say, well, I lost because like 95% losing all the time. So it's not because the average is losing that you have to lose. You decide what you do, you put in the work, and if you put in the work, you're gonna have a chance to win. When you get into trading, like the first day, you have 50% of the chance of winning, 50% of the chance of losing, of going back, like of losing your account, and like 50% of winning, of succeeding basically. But it's up to you. You can either win or lose. It's one or the other. So when you say that like a lot of people are failing in trading, this is because like this is the average, but it doesn't mean that you have to follow this average. You decide if you want to follow the average. If you want to follow the average, which is terrible, don't follow it. Then you can fail like 95%. But if you don't want to follow the average, if you want to keep going, if you put in the right action, the right routines, and I give that stuff for free. This is like for free. This is common sense. You put in the right work. You have a journal. You review your trade. You have your plans, stuff like that. You're gonna be successful, but you decide if you want to be successful. So I hope this video was valuable. I know it's live. It didn't take much time. I think probably like 5 minutes or so. But if you enjoyed the message, subscribe. Go on Facebook. Check out DesireToTRADE. I have a Facebook group for traders exclusively. This is no BS, no ads. It's really for traders to network. So check this out. DesireToTRADE.com/group. And you can join the Facebook group for free. So check this out. I love being on Periscope. I'm going to do one tomorrow, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.